Good morning vlog, except for it's not morning at all. It's actually the evening time. I have been very lazy, and this is the first time I've wanted to film a vlog in a while. I've been struggling a lot with my mental health, and I've been in therapy, as you guys probably know. I talk about it a lot. I'm not ashamed of that, but we're trying to like figure out my medicine and figure out my diagnosis and all that stuff. And it's just been kind of a rough go right now. So I have mood swings where I feel like really energized like I do right now. And then I have other times where I just sit on the couch with my baby and we watch TV and our jammies all day. And I don't think there's anything wrong with either, but it sucks whenever you are someone who shares a lot of content on the internet and you have those days, because consistency is key online, and I'm not very consistent for the reasons I just stated. And so it sucks for you guys who follow me, because I just disappear for sometimes weeks, months at a time, and that's not fair to you guys. So I'm struggling a lot with that, and I'm still trying to get content up. If I'm being honest with you, I'm running out of ideas. So I've been told before that you guys like vlogs, so we're gonna do a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom today. And this is actually the weekend of my first Mother's Day, so I'm really excited about that. It feels weird that to celebrate being a mother, that's not a cat mom, like I have a human child now. Yeah, so we're gonna get some stuff done today. I've been trying to do to-do lists on my phone through Google Calendar, and I'm gonna look at my to-do list right now to try to be more productive. I think this is helpful. So today I need to go through my closet. I'm going to try to organize all of that. I've been in a declutter phase, and I've been buying a lot of clothes, and I need to ex-nay what I'm not wearing. I have to finish some Instagram photos, and then I have to send an email for those photos. I only have one more that I need to do, which involves me going to the park, so I'm gonna take Gideon to the park with me and get those done. I need to get my nails fixed because this one broke off and this one's chipping. I don't think that's gonna happen today because Jacob needs to install, Jacob doesn't need to, he is installing a fire pit in our backyard. He's not gonna be able to do that and watch Gideon, and I don't wanna take Gideon to the nail salon. And then the fourth thing I need to get done is pack Etsy orders. I have a couple of Etsy orders that I need to pack, and I wanna show you guys some of the new products that I've got, so I'll go over those with you. Not a huge to-do list today, but I try to keep it like semi-low so that I don't feel overwhelmed. And then of course gotta get laundry done. I think Jacob's gonna do dinner today. We're still doing HelloFresh because we really liked it, but tonight we're doing a Philly cheesesteak, and he's really excited about it, and I don't want to screw it up, so I'm gonna let him do that. So that's kind of what today's agenda looks like. It's about 3 p.m. right now. Like I said, it's been kind of a long day, and I'm just really excited to get this vlog started. So let's get started into the day. So first we're gonna package these Etsy orders. I have this email out from my therapist of something I need to print out, so I need to get that printed too, but I just have 2 Etsy orders to package. I apologize, my phone's going off. Let me go in here real quick. Sorry, I got sidetracked. Yep, 2 orders to pack, and they're both stickers. So first of all, I wanna go over with you guys while I'm packing these, my new products that I got. If you guys don't know, I have an Etsy shop, and I do a lot of cool stuff. I just listed, let me show you on my thing, hang on. Okay, if you guys have never been to my Etsy, this is what it looks like. Here are some of my featured products, and these are new products. So I have keychains. I have 3 different keychains. I have my most popular design, which is the UGG As If design. I have a Mind Your Own Motherhood one, the Don't Feel Bad for Feeling one, and then I also have these new stickers. Better Days Are Coming right there, Cool to Be Kind, Mind Your Own Motherhood, Don't Feel Bad for Feeling. Those are all my new ones, but I have all kinds of stuff on my Etsy right now, and I'm currently working on adding more stuff. So for these, I have 2 stickers. I have the Babe with the Mobility Aid and the UGG As If. These are definitely my 2 most popular stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those packaged up real quick. I'm out of frame, I apologize. I'm gonna go get these packaged up real quick. Okay, Etsy orders are packaged. We'll get those out tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'll just schedule a pickup real quick. So I'm gonna write that off my to-do list. I'm probably not gonna be able to get my nails done today, so I'm just gonna add that to tomorrow's to-do list because I just don't see that happening. Next thing we're gonna do is go through my closet while Gideon's asleep. I'm gonna do that real quick, get you set up in there and show you what we're working with. Okay, so this is my current closet. It's a mess. So we're gonna go through all of this, probably get rid of a lot of pants because I don't wear a lot of those pants, and that's just clothes that need to be put up, just, you know, the drill. So this is the before shot. I'll show you guys kind of what I'm going through too as well. Okay, I don't know how well this setup is gonna work very well, but we're gonna start going through this. Okay, this is my Hot Mulligan shirt. I want to keep that. This is just a white shirt that I got for a photo shoot that I never did, so we're getting rid of that. It doesn't really even fit me. I like this. This is from Shein. I like that a lot, even though I'm not the biggest fan of my arms. Honestly, I don't have that many shirts. The biggest issue is the way this is set up, my pants. And I don't really wear, like, generally most days I just wear leggings, but I need pants and stuff like that I know that I'm gonna wear that fit me. And unfortunately my body has shifted so much that I think a lot of these aren't gonna fit me. I know this pair I've never wore. Like, I wanted to wear these because they're so cute, but I haven't, and I don't see myself wearing them, so they gotta go. You guys, this saddens me. These are my old faithfuls, and I've wore these so much that they're so ripped and so gross. Unfortunately, they gotta go. That's depressing. Okay, this is the pile of everything that I'm going to end up donating or getting rid of. And then this is what my closet looks like now. I actually kept a lot of stuff. A lot of those pants I was worried weren't gonna fit me, but a lot of them actually do. So I just kind of organized them a little bit better and just got rid of things that I haven't worn in a long time. So this is what we're working with. Still kind of crowded, but it does what it, I mean, I don't have a lot of space here. I don't really wear a lot of clothes. I keep a pretty small closet, as you guys can tell. So that's what we're working with, and again, that's what we're getting rid of. So we're attempting to try to go to the park. It's about 7 o'clock, and the sun will be setting there shortly, but it's a nice day out, and Gideon loves being outside. He's inside Jacob's parents' house right now because Jacob's mom came to get him real quick. So Jacob's gonna go get Gideon real quick, and then we're gonna go to the park and go for a little walk and then go home. Jacob was supposed to put in a fire pit today, but they didn't have the supplies he needed at the store, so he's gonna do that on Monday, so that will get done. So we decided to have a little family outing today, and I'm really excited about it. We came to the, why is this not focusing? We came to the park, and I had to take a little bit of a stop because Gideon is getting hungry and fussy, so we stopped. We're gonna take a little breather, let him get some snacks. He unlatched, so I'm gonna get him fed real quick. Hang on. We are back home now, and I'm going to start making our HelloFresh meal. Tonight we're having Philly cheesesteaks, and honestly, I'm not sure that I'm gonna like this one, but Jacob's really excited about it. He's supposed to cook it, but he's putting getting down for sleep, and so I want to go ahead and start getting down what I can get done, and then I'll let him pick up and take over. So we'll see how this goes. I've really been loving the HelloFresh meals. I think that they're really great, and they're super easy. HelloFresh is a more expensive option, but if you want to see my thoughts on that, I did do a full video on it that I will leave linked below. Check it out, or in the iCards, whichever, I'm not sure. But this is like our, I don't know what week this is for us getting it, but we really like it so far. It is the more expensive one, and yeah, I don't know, but it's nice. So good morning vlog, day 2. I probably shouldn't have vlogged right here. Oh, Jacob's on his phone. Okay. So I'm turning this into the weekend vlog because we live pretty boring lives, and I don't just want it to be a boring vlog. So right now it's about 5 in the afternoon on Saturday of Mother's Day weekend, and we are gonna go have dinner with Jacob's family. His sister's in town, and we're gonna go out for dinner for Mother's Day. This is my first Mother's Day, and this isn't my first Mother's Day with his family, but this is the first time I feel like we've actually like celebrated. We should have brought your mom's gift.
We're giving it to her tomorrow.
Okay, well, we're going over there tomorrow too because we're having dinner there. But this was kind of a like spur of the moment thing. I had a huge to-do list of things I needed to get done today that aren't gonna get done. One of them was fixing my nails. So if you see my pinky nail being busted, that's why. So I'm gonna have to do that on Monday now. But yeah, I'm really excited to go eat because I haven't had anything to eat all day, except for I just ate a cookie. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I did spend this morning getting ready, as you guys can see, and I filmed some TikToks for my TikTok because I needed to get some stuff pre-filmed, and I wanted to do that while I have my makeup done, so that's what I did there. So we came to Hobby Lobby, and we actually need some flowers for our bedroom. We're gonna be redecorating it, so I'm looking at the flowers right now to see if there's anything in here that I like. I kind of like those a little bit. Jacob paints minis, and so we're looking at stuff to do that right now. These are all on sale, and look at this little yellow color. You guys know yellow is my favorite. I don't even know what these are for. It's not focusing, but yeah, it's not focusing, but I like that yellow color. It's an avocado thing. Hey guys, I'm home now. We're gonna play some video games with my friends and round out this Saturday evening. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the vlog up here. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments below if you did, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching and happy Mother's Day. Bye.